When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Whether you believe you can do a thing or not, you are right. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. has been my observation, that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. A bore is a person who opens his mouth and puts his feet in it. Wealth, like happiness, is never attained when sought after directly. It comes as a byproduct of providing a useful service. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. Competition is the keen cutting edge of business, always shaving away at costs. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view, and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. I believe God is managing affairs, and that He doesn't need any advice from me. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best in the end. So what is there to worry about? Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. The competitor to be feared is one who never bothers about you at all, but goes on making his own business better all the time. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life.